On the Tradingview account, you first need to open a trading account. Then click on the option given above called Source Code, and after that click on Public Script. This interface will appear in front of you.
Now, you need to paste the description that has been provided to you. You will copy our given description and paste it here.
After that, the final interface will appear in front of you. First of all, there is the privacy setting. If you click on Public, your indicator will be visible to everyone. If you click on Private, the indicator will only be visible to you. Your source code will also be visible only to you. Below that, there is the visibility option. If you click on Open Source, everyone will be able to see your source code. If you select Protected, the source code will be visible only to you. If you click on Invite Only, you can invite specific people. Once they accept the invite, you can share your source code with them. Then you need to select 3 categories, as I did: chart patterns, candlestick analysis cycles. Next, scroll down to the Tags option. Click on Tags and enter the relevant keywords.
For example, FVG, Fair Value Gap, Smart Money Trading, Live Signals, Institutional Trading, Liquidity. You can also add Liquidity Pool or Liquidity Sweep. Then click on Publish. Your indicator will be added to Tradingview. This interface will appear. And your indicator has now been successfully published on Tradingview.